Please support us for your health and don't forget to like and comment at the end of the video.
Cloves and honey are natural ingredients that, both individually and in combination, offer many benefits for human health. This mixture has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and is effective in areas ranging from strengthening the immune system to improving skin health. Here are the health benefits of clove and honey mixture. Strengthening the immune system. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants. These antioxidants fight free radicals and protect the body against oxidative stress. Honey is known as a natural immune booster. Its vitamins, minerals, and antibacterial properties support the immune system. Clove and honey mixture helps protect the body against infections when consumed regularly. Digestive system support. Cloves have anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that help regulate the digestive system. Cloves have a soothing effect, especially in stomach disorders. Honey, on the other hand, facilitates digestion by balancing stomach acid. The mixture of these two ingredients is an effective solution to relieve bloating, indigestion, and stomach cramps. Source of energy and vitality. Honey is a quick source of energy as it contains natural sugars. Cloves have stimulating effects that energize the body and reduce fatigue. This blend can be consumed to renew your energy after a busy day or to get a fresh start in the morning. Support skin health. Honey has moisturizing and regenerating properties. It also prevents skin infections with its antimicrobial structure. Cloves prevent acne formation by reducing inflammation on the skin. When applied as a mask, this mixture smoothens the skin and gives it a natural glow. Contribution to heart health. Cloves improve blood circulation and protect vascular health. Honey is a natural heart-friendly food. When consumed regularly, this mixture can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. How to prepare clove and honey mixture. It is quite easy to prepare a mixture of cloves and honey to enjoy these benefits. Grind a few cloves into powder and mix with a teaspoon of honey. You can consume this mixture directly or add it to hot water and drink it as tea.
Please support me for your health and stay healthy.